Okay, let's go again. So Tiger1957. Did I play him yesterday? It was a very exciting game, I think, if it's the one. I wonder what he does against Elephant Gambit, or should I just... I don't know, let's test his Elephant Gambit. Okay, he's using time on the clock. If he uses more than 30 seconds, I think it's a success. He probably doesn't know the theory intimately. Hasn't looked at it recently. 30 seconds out of a 5-minute game, what percentage is that? That's quite a high percentage. Okay, so bishop e5 is on the cards. Let's dislodge his king. I don't mind this. H2 could be vulnerability, just like in bullet chess. And also f4. F4 is something to look forward to here. Knight f6 to d5, rook b8, that sort of stuff. Knight d5 and then f4. So he plays c4 though. Okay. Right, isn't there bishop a3 as a threat now? After queen e7 I can play bishop a3 because this b file is looking a bit dangerous. Bishop a3 is now possible. What does he do? Knight a4. Knight a4, bishop b2, knight b2, queen a3, c pawn moves, queen a2 after that. That looks very uncomfortable. Because I'm going to play queen a1 and queen b2 there, surely. So let's calculate again. Takes, knight b2, queen a3, c3 say, queen a2, queen c2. Is there anything simpler here? Rook b4? Isn't rook b4 simple to hit that knight? If takes, he's got a shattered pawn structure after takes. Rook b4 might be simple. Takes, knight b2, queen a3, c4, queen a2, queen c2, and he's going to have queen b1. But rook b4, I can't see anything about that. Also, he's going to weaken c3, isn't he, when he munches that. I'm going to have knight d5 coming in as well. So, let's see again. Okay, if c3 I just take, that's a disaster. If takes, that looks a disaster. If knight c5, bishop b2 looks a disaster. I can't see any tactical moves. I can see knight d5 being a useful resource as well. This could be a quick Elephant Gambit knockout victory. I hope. It looks pretty dangerous. Okay, okay. Knight d5 we can take on a3, so I've got to take that knight, I think. Right, so there's knight d5 here, queen c6, bishop d7 you can take here. If I take on a3, just take on a3. I think I will just take on a3. Hang on, let's just castle. Oh, there's queen b3 winning the rook. So knight d5, queen c6. Can I not just win that pawn and try and win the ending then? I'll play like chicken. Hopefully it's a good idea. I've got a2 to play on if bishop e6. So it's still, pressure's still there. Just without queens off. Pawn fracture. No. My rook's almost getting trapped. I'm glad I've got that move. I was going to resign. Ah, there might be rook b5 coming out now as a resource as well, but I've got the a2 for a moment. He's going to win my rook in broad daylight at this rate. If I get the rook out now, or he's going to play king b4. If I play rook a6, I've got time to reroute the rook, haven't I? He's got c4. No, I can play a check of d5. No, I can't. Ah, this isn't how I imagined it. I can play a check here anyway. No, I can't. I can play knight d5 for knight e3. I've just managed to lose the exchange. Great. Well, he well got back into that, didn't he? He got back into that. Ah! What's this? I thought he was just going to take on a6. Oh no. What a pain. I keep losing the exchange in this game. Can I win a4 as a consolation? Nope. Oh no. What about, I don't know, c6 coming up? What's going on here? Ah, okay, can I at least get my other rook involved in this game? My only last remaining rook, rather. There is a check on rook a8 here. Just knight d5 maybe is better. Knight e2. I'm going to protect c7. Alright, I've got to get my pass pawn here working. Or pressure on a4. Oh man. Ah, hang on, isn't that good? Don't do another horrible check. Losing pawns left, right and centre. Oh man, no! It's gone. What a tragic game from a promising start. What a tragedy. An absolute tragedy. I just thought it was all over. After bishop a3, rook b4. Knight d5. If knight d5, definitely check. Takes. Or is there a check? Now there I'm mating here. Well, there's at least the draw, isn't there? Check. Or more. No, maybe not. So we go back to the main line here. Well, before that, rook a3 as well. So check. Does he want to win the rook? Doesn't have to. Oh well, comments or questions on YouTube. Unfortunately, I'm really disillusioned there. Thanks very much.